What is conditional access and why it is important these days? Let's unpack the details. Conditional access is a pivotal security feature within Entra-ID that allows organizations to implement adaptive and identity-based policies for managing access to their systems. Its importance stems from the need to protect organizational resources in a landscape where users can access data and applications from virtually anywhere using a wide array of devices. At its core, conditional access acts as a dynamic real time decision engine that considers a variety of signals before granting or denying access. Let's understand various signals that conditional access uses. Conditional policies can be targeted to specific users or groups, which allow tailored control over who gets access to what resources. Organizations can create policies based on trusted IP ranges or restrict access from high risk regions, which minimize exposure to potential threats. Conditional access evaluates whether the user's device is compliant, up to date, and trusted before allowing access to sensitive systems. Different applications may require different levels of security. For instance, sensitive applications may need multi-factor authentication or device compliance, while less critical ones may not. By integrating with conditional Entra-ID protection, conditional access can detect risky behavior such as compromised credentials and adjust policies accordingly. For example, a typical conditional access policy might be something like if a user tries to log into a critical system from an unfamiliar device or location, require MFA. This ensures that legitimate users can remain productive while ensuring an additional layer of protection is applied when the system detects heightened risk. Conditional access also ties into a zero trust security model, which assumes that threats can come from both inside and outside the organization, so trust is continuously verified. Conditional access enforces the principle of least privilege and grant the minimum necessary access only after validating the user and their device. In the modern era of hybrid work, where users often connect to corporate resources from a wide range of locations and devices, traditional perimeter-based security is no longer sufficient. Conditional access will ensure that users are not unnecessarily blocked from resources but are instead provided secure, verified access based on multiple factors. There are a number of benefits that comes with conditional access in this digital era. By applying conditional policies based on risk signals, organization can reduce the likelihood of breaches. By targeting specific conditions such as trusted device or locations, organizations can allow smooth, secure access without burdening users with unnecessary security steps. And custom policies ensure that organizations can meet industry standard and regulatory requirements while adapting to their specific needs. In conclusion, conditional access in Entra-ID is not just about security, but also about enabling productive, secure access in a modern, decentralized digital workspace. It will help enforce secure trust principles and ensure that access is granted dynamically based on real-time signals and risk assessment. This flexible, identity-driven approach makes conditional access a cornerstone of any organization's security strategy in today's world.